Hi everyone, my name is Andrei Oros, Product Management Director at UiPath, and I'm happy to announce all the new capabilities we've introduced for macOS. While the percentage of Mac desktops have been steadily growing over the years, today around 15% globally and over 22% in the US, the automation options have been very limited. But now the UiPath platform has fully unlocked automation for Mac. Studio Web allows us to build and debug automations directly on Mac, and our latest UI automation capabilities support all native macOS apps as well as Java apps running on Mac, such as SAP Java GUI.
So we've seen how easy it is to create a new long-running process with the help of Maestro. For example, loan approval. But what if, as part of one of those processes, you need to get some of the data from a local document or a local application running on Mac? Well, UiPath's best-in-class automation platform has got you fully covered. With the help of Studio Web, we have now unlocked access to Mac desktops, and the new UI automation capabilities we've added have full support for all types of desktop apps on Mac. But let's see how everything works. So I have here in Studio Web a Use Application Scope activity where Apple Pages is pre-selected, and what I want to do next is click on one of the buttons in its UI. Indicating brings up the new Selector Editor experience, and as you can see, we have full access to all the UI elements of the application, running quite smooth. And I'm just gonna go for one of the buttons on the top. There we are. I have my target here. I can further configure it, easily customize it with selector view or attributes view, whatever you guys prefer. But I'm very happy with the current target, so I will simply confirm it. This takes us back to Studio Web, where we now have a snapshot of the indicated UI element. And in order to demonstrate how powerful these new capabilities are, I have here a showcase that extracts data from SAP Java GUI, and it uses it in a new Apple Numbers document created from a template. Okay, so again, all this is running natively on Mac. Authentication is done. It also performed a few scrolls there to get all the values from that table. And now those values are being used in the newly created document. So as you can see, it's running quite fast, and we're going to make it even faster. And that's a wrap. So as you can see, automation for Mac is now fully unlocked. Thank you.
UI automation for macOS will reach GA in June. So a lot of stuff coming now, the next month and in June.